The SA Music Show with Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
It is the SA Music Show 2.0. My name is Tabiso, the Fresh Prince of Radio, with you all the way till 6. And of course, as you know, we're in a new time slot from 2 p.m. all the way till 6 p.m. And of course, this is the time that we bring you your guest for the SA Music Show in the Jacaranda FM building. Please help me welcome, as you are at home, with a warm round of applause, the one and only Lara K. Welcome to Jacaranda FM.
Thank you so much.
Man, oh man, it is so good to have you in studio. Maar kyk, ek doen mos my huiswerk man, voordat enigiemand in die ateljee inkom. En dan leer ek hulle 'n bietjie leer ken, en dan leer ek 'n paar goedjies van hulle. And that is, music is not all that you do. You love horse riding as well.
Yes, I do.
Now I'm going to ask you, because we're going to get to your music. We're going to get to the song Saturday that you also released, even though it's Sunday, but we're going to get to that song as well.
Next song.
Yeah. But tell me about this, right? Your horse riding.
Yes.
Why horse riding, and why, like, those two are like in total different.
Yeah.
Why horse riding?
Well, I've been on a horse since before I could walk, so I think that's maybe where it all started for me.
Wow.
I was on the farm, my uncle and my aunt got me my first pony. So yeah, and then it's just been horses ever since.
Now I have to ask you, why not go that route? Why not go the horses route and basically do competitions in horses, and why music?
I did do a lot of competitions with my horses in the past. I'm taking a little bit of a break now so I can focus on my music, since music has also been such a big part of my life. So I'm just taking a little bit of a break with the horses while competing with the horses. I'm still riding, just focusing a little bit more on my music journey right now.
Oh man, that is special. That is super special, man. And then also something that I came to find out, and I have to definitely chat about this, right? There's a business side to what we do. There's a business side to music, and you managed to actually save up and get your first saddle for Copycat, who's your horse.
Yes, I did, yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about that, because there's something that I'm going to do here when it comes to the music side of things as well. But saving up for you, or saving up to get your own saddle,
yes.
Tell me a little bit more about that. Why did you feel that you had to save up to get that?
Well, I wanted to, because I'm getting older now, I really wanted to make this one thing my own. I didn't want my mom or dad to buy it for me. I wanted to be a very grown-up
100%.
and buy my own big purchase for myself, well, for my horse. And I love Copycat so much, and she really deserved a new saddle. So I decided I'm going to save up enough money to buy her a brand new saddle.
Lara K is with us in the Jacaranda FM building. Dis regtig baie mooi. En die kant wat ek wil bring is hierdie reg, is dat musiek ook 'n besigheid is. Daar's 'n paar goedjies wat jy nou gaan voor moet spaar, en 'n paar goedjies wat jy nou gaan moet doen, en natuurlik wat jy geldjie moet gaan uithaal, maar wat jy ook 'n geldjie gaan kry.
Ja.
As gevolg van jy wat nou op jou verhoog gaan wees, en jy wat gaan sing en al hierdie goedjies doen, reg?
Ja.
I must ask you this, what are you looking most forward to of being on a stage and performing?
I think seeing all the people's faces and their expressions when they hear my music, I think I'm very excited for that. And connecting with the crowd as well.
100%.
I'm very excited for that.
100%, man. And then when you talk about connecting with the crowd, who is the crowd that you'd love to connect with? Is it more young people, or is it just overall?
I think it's overall at this moment. I think it's overall. I think also a little bit more with my next songs. It'll be more for the younger generation, I think. Oh, I hope so. But it is overall everybody that I hope to connect with.
That is amazing. Would you ever go into, look, there's different genres of music, of
Also,
course,
there's
right?
a lot.
Would you ever go into amapiano?
That could be very interesting. That could be a very interesting sound.
Look, your voice, like, I was listening to your voice and I was like, man, this voice. There's a lady by the name of Tamara Day. She's actually part of our SA Music countdown at the moment. I can only say what's a number is safe together with the Planetoids. And the first time that I saw her, man, I was in high school. And I was like, oh my goodness, she is so good. And you remind me of her. She's amazing. Her voice is amazing. And I was like, and she took on a genre that nobody thought that she would. She took on house music.
Oh, wow.
And yes, when I look at you, I'm like, daar's iets hier so.
I mean,
laat ek myself eers terughou. Miskien kom ek uit saam met jou en ons doen 'n song saam. Wie weet?
Hoekom nie? Dit was so lekker wees.
Nudge, hint, management. Ja, D&D en Roz. Ek hoop julle luister. It's Jacaranda FM, home of more music you love. Lara K with us in the Jacaranda FM building.
Thabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
My naam is Thabiso Kambule op TikTok. Lara, so of course things get busy, right? And your life gets busy. Jy ry perd en jy doen musiek en jy doen dit en jy doen dat. En op die oomblik het jy my ook laat weet jy vat so 'n bietjie van 'n gap year.
Ja.
Dit is vir my uber belangrik dat ek gesond eet en 'n bietjie oefen. So jy doen al klaar die oefening in perdry.
Ja.
But how important is it for you to eat healthy in your journey?
No, it really is important to eat healthy. I'm getting back into the gymming and eating healthy again because December was baie lekker.
Ons almal.
Al was dit 'n paar maande terug, was baie lekker geëet. Maar ja, dit is baie belangrik. I really do like to eat healthy. My mom makes all of the food, but she's also teaching me to make all the food.
Nice.
So one of these days I'll be able to prepare all the meals and
That is
yeah.
What is your fascination with chicken? I came to learn that you love chicken nibbles.
How'd you know that?
I told you I do my homework, man.
Yeah, ek sien so. I love chicken nibbles, especially Woolies chicken nibbles. And my mom's butter chicken. Oh, it's to die for. I love it.
Hoekom het jy nou nie saam sien jy nou? Hoekom het jy nou nie saamgebring nie?
Sorry. Ek was opgeëet. Ek was honger.
Okay, so I know that there's a few people that are against this, but I love the fact that it's brought something very special and something unique. And the reason why I'm laying the foundation in this way is jy en jou pa, you guys went hunting, and there's a special memory that you have of this. Please tell us the story.
Yes, me and my dad, we love hunting, and I love being in the bush. So we went hunting, I think 2 years ago. We went on a nice long hunting weekend, and
Yes.
I shot 2 blauwildebeeste in 5 minutes apart from each other.
Yes,
Ja.
En dit was die eerste keer.
Nee, dit was my... Nee, ek het al 'n paar keer al gejaag
Okay.
voor dit, maar dit
Dat
was
was
my
spesiaal
groot
vir jou,
bokke. Dit was my
yes,
baie
yes.
spesiaal, want om sulke groot dier, 2 van hulle te skiet
Presies dit.
in 5 minute tyd mekaar uit, was amazing vir my.
Wat ek wil konsentreer is jou bonding tyd saam met dad
Ja.
op pad tyd. Hoe spesiaal is dit? Vertel ons 'n bietjie van
Yes,
dit.
dit is my baie spesiaal. Ek en my pappa geniet dit regtig baie, veral op die plaas. So lekker skietkompetisies en dan net in die Bosveld is net nog baie meer spesialer. En dan al dit wat ons op die plaas geoefen het om die oogkoördinasie alles
100%.
op 'n bok nou of op 'n wildebees nou te skiet is net vir my baie spesiaal. En die tyd wat ons spandeer is ook baie nice.
Dis beautiful. Hoe belangrik is dit dat jou ouers jou ondersteun en ek sien jou sussie ook hier so vandag Gray, ons speel van haar musiek ook hier so op Jacaranda FM. Hoe belangrik is daai ondersteuning vir jou?
Nee, ek is baie geseënd en bevoorreg dat ek hulle het aan my kant. They support us through everything that we do in life, and I'm just so grateful for them.
It's amazing, man. I'm a parent myself of 2 boys, right? A 16-year-old and a 7-year-old. Ja, ek weet ek lyk 16. Ek belowe jou. Ek het 'n 16-jarige, and you know, one thing that I told myself, and I hear this quite a lot from my generation, is that die ouers hulle nooit ondersteun het in hulle goed nie. En wat ook al hulle wou doen. En ek was ook nogal so 'n bietjie bangerig geweest. I rather study travel and tourism and didn't do radio, but I still pursued my dream, you know. And when I'm hearing you say this, it really, and I just want to reach out to parents there as well to really support their kids in what they want to do, because I can see how happy you are. I can see, man, jy is in cloud 9. Ek dink daai beteken baie vir kinders.
Ja.
Ek wil gou na hierdie storie toe gaan. Kyk, 'n popgrappie is maar almos altyd 'n lekker grappie, né? Okay, 'n bietjie genoeg daarvan. You know where I'm going with this, right?
Ja.
Look man, jy was in 'n dansklas. That's also another question actually. Excuse. I digress.
Okay.
You were in dance classes.
Yes. I did ballet, modern, Spanish, ballroom dancing and Latin.
Man.
All on different stages of my life. So ballet, modern and Spanish were when I was younger, and then ballroom and Latin were when I was a little bit older.
You're making me question my youth. Wat was ek besig om te doen? Besig om ek dink ek was by rokershoekie gewees eers. En ja, besig om agter girls aan te hardloop. Ja, jy maak my net sleg.
Ek het FOMO gehad as 'n kind. Ek so jammer vir my ma. Ek moes alles doen.
Nou vertel vir my van hierdie storie man. Dat jy 'n bietjie van 'n glips gehad het daarso in your dancing class. What happened?
So ons is besig om we were busy practicing for a show that we were going to do, and it was during Spanish class, and we were all ready standing in line, and then I had a oopsie with a ek het gepoep. Ongeluk het ek gepoep. Ja, dis dit.
Ja.
En dit was net voordat die musiek begin het en dit was doodstil in die saal. Toe gebeur dit, toe sê ek nog jammer, hardop vir almal, toe begin die musiek, toe moes ons gedans het. So na dit.
You know what? I must salute you man. Your level of integrity to say ek sou doodstil gebly. Ek sou even gevra, wie was dit?
Ja, kyk rond. Nee, maar jy kon hoor dit van my afgekom. Sê ek jammer julle, toe begin dit en toe. Dan so.
Okay, ja, soos wat ek gesê het, 'n poepgrappie is maar altyd 'n lekker grappie.
Thabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
Jacaranda FM, home of more music you love, late night talking, and we are talking to Lara K on Jacaranda FM. It is home of more music you love. Nou Lara het natuurlik 'n sussie ook in die besigheid en haar naam is Gray. Maar nou wil ek vra, jy weet, ek het nou al 'n lekker chat gehad met Bobby on the SA Music Show, and there's always this sibling, das net so bietjie kompetisie tussen die siblings natuurlik, but I see you guys are actually, like ek het julle nou hierso gesien. Dit lyk asof julle baie happy is. Kyk, daai 2 dae van my by die huis maak mekaar amper dood elke dag. Maar ek weet nie hoe is julle nou? Hoe is julle verhouding?
Nee, ons verhouding is baie goed.
Okay.
My mamma het gesê ons mag nie kompeteer nie, so ons los dit by die huis.
Yes.
Behind closed doors, dan fight ons dalk 'n bietjie hier en daar, maar nie regtig nie. Maar nee, ons support ook vir mekaar deur alles, veral met die musiek, omdat ons albei dit saam begin het. Hou ons maar baie ons is maar baie met mekaar deur alles, wil ek sê.
You guys also did a collab together, and that was a Christmas song, right?
Yes.
Tell us a bit more about that.
Last Christmas.
Yeah,
that was so much fun. We said that we're going to do a Christmas song every end of the year together. That's the only collab that we're going to do.
Okay.
Because we don't fight about what we're going to do there.
100%,
but it was so much fun filming the video and singing it as well.
So what if you're saying that you're going to be doing this each and every Christmas, does that mean that you are going to be doing this coming Christmas as well?
Yes, we will. Yeah. Just haven't thought about a song yet, but that's later's problem.
We are looking forward to that, man. En gepraat van songs, vertel vir ons 'n bietjie meer van alhoewel so wat ek nou net gesê het, jy weet, it's not Saturday, but your new single Saturday. Tell us a bit more about that.
So Saturdays, I love the song. I think I've found my feel of my voice as well with this song.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a lot different than my previous song. Saturdays is about just getting in the car, long drives with your friends or someone special, driving to wherever you really want to go and just having that spontaneous moments together.
Do you have someone special? Of kan jy sê of kan jy nie sê?
Ja, my perkie.
What a beautiful answer. What?
Copycat.
Ek wou net vir gesê het, ek het 'n seun daarso by die huis, sy naam is Jaden. Hy het 'n baie mooi groen oë. Kyk hoe paar ek jou nou met my sien nie. Nietemin, Lara K. Where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on all social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, at Lara K Music.
Absolutely amazing, man. We're going to play your song as a breakaway track, and that is going to be at about 15 minutes past 4. So you will most probably hear it as you are driving home. Man, dit was so lekker om saam met jou te kuier. Jy moet asseblief weer kom kuier as jy nuwe musiek het.
Definitief. En baie dankie om hier so te hê op die show vandag.
Ag man, dis 'n groot plesier. Jy's 'n groot plesier. Asseblief, yes. Kom kuier weer en sê asseblief baie dankie vir jou ouers en your producer also being here. My great sir, thank you so much. Was so lekker om julle in die ateljee te hê. Ons kuier weer saam.
Definitief, baie dankie.
Baie dankie. There's a music show. This is Jacaranda FM that you are listening to. Sean Kingston on the way in Stella.
The SA Music Show with Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.